let's check out all camera settings available on this phone. So first we have Scene Optimizer, which can be toggled by using, of course, on the switcher, just like pretty much every other option over here. This allows you to automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures. We also have Scan Documents and Text, and inside this option we also have auto scanning available, which allows us to automatically capture documents and text without using the shutter button. Besides that, we have the QR code scanner as well, shot suggestions, which show on-screen guides to help you line up great shots, and we have the information about custom filters. We also have the shutter button function, which has additional function when we swipe the shutter button down. By default we use it for burst shot, but we can also use it to create GIFs or GIFs. There is also the watermark, and the watermark allows us to use the model name, which can be customized. The date and the format of the date can be changed, and the time as well, and in this case also the format can be adjusted. We also have style customization, where we can choose a different font and adjust the alignment. We also have high efficiency pictures, which allows you to take pictures in the photo mode with the HEIF format. There is also the mirror effect for the selfie camera, which is called Save Selfies as previewed, and the gesture swipe up or down to switch cameras. So let me actually quickly show you. If you swipe up or if you swipe down, then you can quickly switch between the front and the rear camera. There is auto FPS, which allows you to record brighter videos in low light conditions by automatically optimizing the frame rate in video mode. The video stabilization and advanced video options, where we have the high efficiency videos option, 360 audio recording, and audio playback, allowing you to let music play while you record a video. We also have automatic HDR, composition guide containing grid lines and a leveler, which can be used by enabling composition guide first. We have location tags, and that allows you to save the location of photos and videos. So if you take a photo or record a video, then in the details in the gallery of the specific photo or video, you will find the information where the photo was taken or where the video was recorded. Shooting methods allows you to customize some of these options. So for example, we have the function of the volume buttons. Volume buttons can be used to take a picture or record a video. You can also use volume buttons to zoom in or zoom out, or you can simply turn off additional camera function for volume buttons and just use it to control sound volume. There is also voice commands, so by saying smile, cheese, capture, or shoot, you can take a photo, or you can say to record a video to start recording a video. We have additional floating shutter button, which looks like this. By default it is here, but we can drag it pretty much anywhere on the screen. We can drag it to the middle of the default shutter button to hide it, and you can drag it out to get it back pretty much. Alright, so we're gonna go back now to the settings. And let's go back to the shooting methods, because we also have the show palm gesture that allows you to take a picture or start recording a selfie video by showing the hand to the camera. So let me show you how it looks like. Let's switch to the front camera, let's show the hand, and then we have the countdown to start, not to start recording, but in this case to simply take a picture, because we are in the photo mode after all. And then we also have settings to keep, so you can decide what should be kept when you exit the camera and when you return to it later on. We have vibration feedback and Snapchat lenses in the fun mode. So if you enable this option, then you will have those silly Snapchat filters that we have available on Snapchat in general. So now if you use Snapchat just for those filters, then of course you can use this instead. And that's pretty much all. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.